Well, hello people. I really hope my settings aren't messed up again. That's always a problem. And yeah, I didn't plan to record with the part. Absolutely not. But here I am. Doing another playthrough of this because, as I just figured out, my Switch died. I wanted to record Splatoon 2, but no, my Switch died. Because why not? So, yeah. Here we are. I will not skip the things.
Report to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise.
They are blind.
Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun. Fun.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in. There is the assistant, and there is the infobot.
They are blind.
Masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going? Hey, it's okay. See? Just me.
Rivet? Shh! Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should... Thank you!
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank!
I noticed that. With Rusty Pete.
Will be your hosts.
I never noticed that with Rusty Pete. Never. I never noticed that. Really. Well. I suppose it's all loud enough.
Hey, this is a pretty big turnout.
Even after all of these years, it is exciting.
Yeah, it is, huh?
I really hope it isn't messed up.
Give it up for our heroes! Yeah!
Yes, we will.
To stay in store for you, starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear. Must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
So let's play this spectacular game, really. Will I 100% or at least try to 100% it? Because I think I actually never did.
From the night sky, Ratchet rescues.
You know, it still kind of feels surreal. I have this game since 2 or 3 years, I think. Probably 2. But before that, I was just watching playthroughs.
This festive barricade. Who could forget the Blarg invasion of Kurwa?
Yes, give me a second, I will turn on subtitles. So, I'm back. But it still feels surreal having this game, really. Like, for sure this section just feels surreal to have. To be able to play it.
Some of those world-class sharp-shooting skills.
Yeah, but I will.
Well,
After getting ammo, of course. Oh my god, I forgot how to shoot.
all heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed
Yes.
to be a reenactment of? You got a sweet bounty on your head, Wombat.
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Way better.
Someone put a bounty on us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route. Oh dear.
Activating Magna Boots!
Come on, let's keep this show going.
So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the Blargs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or... Oh, Dr. Nefarious.
Ha, no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Watch out for swashbuckling marauder!
Get him, Robo-Mutts!
No, they will not. I'm playing this on the hardest difficulty because else it's just really too easy. I'm playing Ratchet and Clank since so long. I will probably die some stupid deaths. Or do you say it like that? See, that's what I mean. That will probably happen.
The mysteries of the great
Oh, the first big little combat section.
emotional monologue prepared for this one.
They have health in this thing, really. I'm used to them dying quicker, even though I already played through it on Renegade Legend.
Incoming.
Yeah, I did 2 hits, but hey, I'm here for a challenge, so I will not be complaining. Hi. And that's how you level up weapons. Now, I may also just make a video on breaking this game because there are some fun things you can do if they have, but which they haven't patched, I think. I'm not sure. But I don't know. I may just dedicate a video to just trying to completely break this game. I think it's pretty solid. But I mean, like with the little photo thingy glitch. That would be cool. Probably. That would probably be really cool. Yeah. So.
Not too bad.
Yeah, exactly. Just like the player. I haven't played this in a while.
And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Yo, pal, what? Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
You see the moment where it snapped into an in-game cutscene, I think. Oh, that was also a bit ugly with the thing, but you know.
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Turn yourself in, Lombax!
Oh, you see your angle there. Oh my god, why did I never notice that?
Why wouldn't you be?
I deleted the saves I had. And let the real first panic begin.
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon, Mrs.
You know, yeah, next thing I'll do is probably a challenge on this. Just no Veritanium upgrades and something like that. Do I need to watch the preview? Because I know how they work.
Amazing in your...
Yeah.
More goons incoming!
Hold the select button. Yeah, I know how this works. Please. Can I, like, disable the tutorial? Oh, well, I will not. Not right now, not in the middle of the combat section. Oh, see, I'm already... Oh my god, I'm like... Oh my god, no! I will cut this out. Damn. I should not yap during it. Because yapping will decrease my concentration. If you say concentration? My concentration. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. Oh, I suck at aiming. That's probably because I, like, for some reason, made the... Oh my god. That distracted me.
More goons! Incoming!
Oh, come on. Can't be serious. Skip cinematic. Yeah, please. Okay. Now, let's try and do this for real. You know, I'm so used to like PS3 because that was the thing I lastly played. So like I'm kind of used to the PS3 controls, which isn't really a good thing if you're playing this because the controls changed over time. And I'd say for the better. You know, their aim is also crazy. That kind of reminds me of Nexus, where their aim is also so crazy.
Train's pulling away. Let's go.
Hello.
Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye. Hey! What did you do?
Well, I remember seeing the advertising for this.
What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
And I really like this mechanic.
That was rather exciting.
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Feels so slow again. Feels so sluggish again. Why? Okay, wait. I have an idea. Yeah, that's good.
Whoa! Watch your head!
This is worse than I had imagined. Sand sharks from above.
Oh, I hate these things. They're annoying. Here, and in every other game, which would be just the first game if I remember right. They had to make a model just for this part.
Might as well give up.
Is that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Peek. A fixer preview.
Shit! We've got to find a way up there.
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, when did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
Yeah, this music is also used on Kadaro.
Finding the Lombaxes has
I will yap spoilers, so...
thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, that's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
Am I tripping? Wasn't there a rift over here? Am I tripping? Am I really tripping this much? No, you need it to like... Yeah. I'm just stupid. And then there was a rift over there. Yeah. Okay. Hello. Sweet, sweet river cranium.
Respect for hiring us, but we're gonna need like a bonus for all this weird stuff.
A bonus? I'm already paying you generously.
Yeah, but like, my guy got dragged through a hole in the ceiling by a crash.
Jobs can be dangerous.
Hey, bro, I hear you. I see you. This wasn't in the contract.
I cannot believe this.
Calm down, bro. We'll figure it out. Breathe with me. Go on, back, stop.
Bye. Bye. Last words he did say. I'm not quick with the quick select. That's like the thing I'm not good with. You know, I'm like shooting with the R1 because I still have. I think that's on the PS3 like that, but I think I might just be tripping. Really, I might just be tripping. So, and there's something here which I don't really remember how to get. Not like this, of course. Oh yeah, by the way, this is map. And the menu. Which is cut off for some reason. Why is the menu cut off? Generally, this whole thing is a bit too zoomed in on the TV I'm playing. Does this have something to do with the settings? I still need to figure that out. Because this is clearly cut off. But just here. Ooh, yay. Yeah, so we left the lawn bags. Do what? Then you know what? I'll go here. I'll figure this out. Probably. Thanks for watching. Hope you kinda should. Well, I'll edit the other part in. But would you look at this? We're back. Or, well, I'll put this into the same part as before. So, yeah. Is the menu still cut off? Oh, come on, could you stop doing that? The menu is still cut off. Let me fix that. See? That's how you fix it. That's how you fix it.
Like a bonus for all this weird stuff. Long-range Lombax alert!
Bye.
Much more of this.
Hey, first upgrade. Anyways, I gotta try and get up here now. Is there a high jump in this game? No. Rest in peace, high jump. How do you get up there again? Yeah, this looks good. I actually don't really remember how to get up there. I just remember that it's pretty hard. Which I will not do right now because I'm absolutely too annoyed. But this is a cinematic opening, really.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
So, this is a strong opening, yes.
Never go planet hopping without ample supplies. Mrs. Zircon will be here.
Wait. She sounds so electronic. Probably because I've used the German version. Those are actually people.
Take over the universe again.
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
Yeah. Who wouldn't wish that? Oh, this is sadly the only time it really gets used in combat. Just hopping. It gets used way too little. Should be used more like this.
More butts.
They shoot and shoot and shoot. They shoot so much forward.
Nice work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you, pal. All right, now let's get to Nefarious.
You two, these goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Did that hurt? Good.
Toads are so unpleasant.
No, really? God, I'm playing the worst of playing on bottom. I think that's not true. I think I just never noticed that I have a massive skill issue.
Nefarious.
Oh dear, he is targeting us.
I think this is an easier attack.
His defenses are weakening.
Yes, run from me.
Boys, where did Nefarious find these?
Today my ultimate plan will come to fruition. It is perfect, flawless, and nothing will stop me.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably around 80. No, it doesn't matter. Today will be the last time.
How old is Nefarious? That's probably around 40 at this age. Not at this time. No.
A crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
How bad is it?
Well, it
Still amazing what you can do with this.
Great.
Where are we?
Beats me.
manner of trickery! Get off me, ship! I'll
Did I do it? Oh, what is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator.
Based. I'm great.
Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator. What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Yeah. Wait, I have to find my friend.
Hi? It's me? It's me! It worked! It worked! I am the winner!
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes! Emperor!
Title card. I don't know. I'm on something.
Oh. Clank? Clank?
Still feels surreal having this game.
Lombax? What is this place? Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him. Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming. Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
The best thing is, like, the first thing he said, yeah. Are there two now? Because, like, if I'd be here, I'd be like, whoa, fuck. This guy made it when I heard that. But no! He's just like, yeah, Nefarious could have never done that. That must be another one.
Wait a second.
You forgot your order. Well, come right in.
Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies
you, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else, the Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
What does Club Nefarious sound like? That's a good question. Probably like losing. Well, not in this universe. I'll take the hit. I'll go for the main way first. Then for the Rhino plan.
Sounds like a club, all right.
First. Yeah.
So what happened to the real Emperor?
He does not get along with the idea that he actually won.
More cracks in the dimension.
Indeed, and I will go through that one.
Huh. Now I know
Because
what
nothing's
happened to
stopping
the
me.
parade float. Miss you, buddy!
Oh, we must have the Lombax! The non-inflated one!
He's on the inflate. He's not an Oh. I think they're a really nice touch. These rifts.
Get ready for a sharp steady!
That's a touch. Dude, please just throw the grenade. Okay.
Whoa.
KKK.
And I think that covers everything here. Nice.
Well. I will not equip ammo. Yep, armor for now. You know, here, other thing I figured out here, that barrier is kinda weird at one point. I don't know where, but like at one point it's just really weird, the death barrier.
Anyone is concerned about that enormous explosion earlier? It was just me! Launching some fireworks! Drinks are half price with your tea!
Come on, Phantom, where are you?
Center of the universe.
Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom? Is there
Well, this guy over here.
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Can't believe! First mission in forever and my cover's blown!
Phantom? Is Skid?
Never tried, but can I go back?
They'll go after Phantom too.
No, I can't.
That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? Had to be Phantom! Phantom! Wait!
A mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were... Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Did I get the raritanium? Am I just stupid? They get the raritanium. What's too bad? That was a mistake of you going down here.
Let Phantom get too far ahead.
So, first gold bolt. Yeah, I'd take it too if I'm you. There's more than enough ammo around here, really. Yeah, he's just chilling there. Shouldn't have missed anything so
There
far.
has to be something around here I can use to reach Phantom.
Exactly. Because there is. It's the only time you do something like this in this game. It's weird.
Will you
Hi, Phantom.
please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait!
Did I miss any raritanium yet? Yes, I did. Knew it.
There he is! The football from the club!
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Another resistance member! I will make the Emperor proud today!
No, you won't.
Here!
You also won't. No one of you actually will ever do that. Because the Emperor does not give a shit about you. I gotta turn that slow.
Now, where'd you go?
Where did he go? Where could he have gone?
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
Banging music.
Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't catch what doesn't resist. Jump and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest. Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to hit one.
It's not safe here. Just stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Well, I really like it to listen to these. And I forgot that he actually says something. Oh god. Oh god. You did not see that. I'm getting unconcentrated right now.
How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
What a beautiful place this is. I hope I'm not forced to destroy it.
No. Boom.
Wow,
Boom.
that is highly powerful. Oh.
Yeah, no, it is. Wasn't even the full strength of it, and you just died. Can't get nothing. That's great. Which way to go? Can't decide. 13 hours in line is...
Excuse me, but resistance is not permitted.
No, really? The resistance is not permitted.
Wow, that is highly powerful.
You know, your friend already said that, so... You can walk on those... Why can you walk on those things? Oh. Could you stop ignoring me? Do you need to look at it like... I'm just gonna start to abuse the one photo thingy glitch. See, now it doesn't ignore me. Why? Why not?
Hold on, honey. Are you headed to the roof? You should use that.
Yeah, rare titanium upgrades, I know.
To upgrade your
Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, I know.
You are
Yeah. What is...
Upgrading your loadout is not hard, as long as you've got the rare titanium.
Oh god, could you stop? Yeah, good.
See? Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent?
I'm just gonna do all of that.
Always worth the cost to keep your...
Good.
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there. And Miss Zircon was never here.
Did you try the tricks? You can get them all for 1% of your yearly salary.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The Nefarious Day Spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message you'll never forget.
Looks
Okay.
easy enough.
You know what they say. Happy Emperor, happy Trooper. Citizens of Nefarious City,
And now shit is starting
the
to
resistance.
happen.
This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. Growing collection of citizens sick and tired of this diabolical dictatorship.
Should it really like make some more battlefields with like all the mechanics we can, because this is really just kind of the only time I for now remember this really being the case that they use the Phantom Dead and stuff like that. Why am I on this now? I'm not aiming like ugh. Why am I on the left side? I quick select are really quick. All questions that need to be asked. You know, most of my deaths I think are through environmental deaths. Ooh. Most of my deaths are through environmental deaths, I think. Come on. You die. Thank you. Oh, more. Why wouldn't there be more? No, the fire rate increased. I know it's not. But my emo's already gone. See? Not bad.
Forget the code. Actions speak louder than words.
Not feeling my best. Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Right.
Wow, where'd you learn how to... Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here?
Well, yeah, but I will go now. Thanks for watching. I hope this wasn't trash.